everyone. I just want to start by saying welcome back to my channel and thank you to everyone who's been supporting my channel, sending me good feedback from the videos that they have watched. Thank you for watching my videos fully throughout without clicking through. It helped with my engagement and it helped me to get this YouTube money, okay? So if you do watch my videos through, please don't forget to thumb up the video and leave me a little comment, even if it's just an emoji. You can just leave me a butterfly emoji because I like butterflies, just to help with my engagement again. So yeah, thank you for supporting me and riding this journey with me. So today's video is going to be a gift unboxing. We're gonna do like a multiple clip vibe because I'm still waiting for gifts to be delivered. I still have to go to my P.O. box to get gifts, and I also still have to go to my storage to get gifts. So we just gonna start today with the gifts I already have because I need to start figuring out what I have, what I don't have, and what I possibly may need so I can go ahead and get those things. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So we can go ahead and start with this. I already know what this is. It's my breast pump because I'm about to be a whole cow. What the freak? But I got a free breast pump from my insurance. Shouts out to the government for doing something to help you grow. So yeah, we got a breast pump. This is from TT Becky. Congratulations on your bundle of joy from Rebecca. So I have this organizer caddy. It's really pretty. Also from TT Becky. And she also got baby girl a baby fitness blanket that's multi-function. So cute. It's so cute. Oh my gosh. I'm probably gonna cry doing this. Okay, this is so cute. This is from TT Desi. Her notes say, enjoy your gift from Auntie Desi and family. She got me a 3-piece Carter set. I can open this because I'm about to put it in here. Before I put this in here, these 2 bins right here is like full of clothes, some diapers. It's just full of pretty clothes that I received from Aaliyah because she just had a baby girl, which is my goddaughter. So yeah, I'm very grateful for all of this. Yeah, so cute. I can't wait to dress my girl and be tagging all these people so we can get some sponsors. Oh, it's so cute. It's little onesies. Oh my god. This is so stinking cute. I'm about to have a whole baby. And we have this one. I'm about to have a whole baby doll. Like, what the freak? Hey, Desi also bought the pink diaper bag I had on my registry, and she also bought a humidifier, which I can't wait to use because We need it. I need that already because I already can't breathe. I'm fat as hell and I can't breathe for real. But I really wanted this one. So now I have a black bag and I have a pink bag. So cute. So cute. So thank you, Desi. Thank you, Becca. Okay, I got some bibs, a bottle, and some barrettes and some diapers from one of my friends from school, Kira. Thank you so much. My girl sent me stuff all the way from back home in New Orleans, so I'm very, very grateful. This is from my cousin Becca and family. I'm gonna say the cards. I can't read the cards on here because I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. I'm gonna cry. So this is some washable cloths. It's 24 in here. That's pretty cool how vacuum sealing really seals shit up. I I would have thought this was only 2. Okay, cool. We got some washcloths. A six a 6-pack of baby bath towels, which is also vacuum sealed to the maximus. Okay. We got some butt paste for some rashes to treat and protect. And this is a 2-way sleeper. A sleeper and play outfit. So cute. The clothes get me. The clothes get me every time. Because what the freak? It's about to be a whole human in these clothes. So the biggest blessing about me having a girl right now is that I'm surrounded by a village of women who recently just had a baby girl. So ironically, I was the next big blessing to receive a lot of beautiful hand-me-downs. Okay, so I'm so grateful for that. Yeah, so baby girl already have hella clothes, like from newborn to whatever age at this point. It's just a lot of clothes, so that's the plus. This is from my cousin Tara. Let the good times roll. Okay, big and no vibes. So cute. So we got some Pampers, a card that I'm gonna save for later. We have a body thermometer, a bottle warmer and sterilizer, and we have a wipe warmer. So cool. I have a wipe warmer. Thank you so much, Tara. And I believe Tara also gave me some stuff over here too with clothes and everything. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So y'all, this bag right here is also from Aaliyah. So all this stuff, besides the stuff y'all just see me put in here, is from Aaliyah. But like besides the gifts I have received from Aaliyah, Aaliyah has been such a great blessing to me along this marathon, like all the way down to giving me foot massages, okay? Like, oh, what? Y'all friends not giving y'all foot massages while y'all pregnant? No, but for real, I just love her. I'm so grateful to have her in my life, and I just cannot wait to repay her with all the flowers that she deserves, okay? Like, I just can't wait. So in here, this would be my hospital bag. So freaking cute. It have a zipper at the bottom for me to put like my shoes in, hospital slippers, socks, or whatever at the bottom, and the big inside. We have a thermal cup. It say mommy since 2026. Okay, period. We have a mug. So freaking cute. It say Fur Mom because I have my little doggy 7. I got this little butterfly vase from her mom because you know your girl is a butterfly. I have this nightlight, this Himalayan nightlight. I can't wait to use that and put it in the wall. I got me a fan because Big Mama be hot, real hot. I got me a 3-pack of maternity postpartum briefs, large, because your girl ass is spread it. Okay, don't tell nobody. Okay, I have some shower aroma steamers. Y'all, these smell so freaking good. I can't wait to use these. I can't wait to use these. It's eucalyptus, lavender, mint, and citrus. I wish y'all can smell them, but I cannot wait to take a shower and pop these in that bad boy. It smells so good. I have the upside down Puri bottle for postpartum. I have a breast pump bra because your girl about to be a cow. Okay. We have some barrettes and rubber bands and scrunchies. The little clips are butterflies. She said she thought that was so cute, which it is because you know my girl likes to come out with finger waves. Period. We have some postpartum recovery bath salts to soak in. And her mom also got me a candle. So pretty. I can't wait to keep this jar as well. So again, thank you, Aaliyah, for being the best soul sister anyone can ask for right now and forever, of course. But yeah, we're gonna call this my mommy bag. I have me another big bottle. I need to be using this right now, okay? Because your girl be thirsty. We have a shade and heat protector for the car, for the baby's window. This is pretty cool. We have some more onesies and some hand mittens. Super cute. And we also have another tummy time prop and play. So cute. Thank you. Oh, I know what this is. So this is the board to fill out once I actually have baby girl and she is Earthside. I'll put her name, the date, the time, her weight, and her length. And I'm also able to do her fingerprint and put it on those little white pieces that I just put in there. So cute. I can put her fingers and her feet. This is a matching mommy and baby set. It said, I pray you have a healthy delivery, baby girl in recovery. Enjoy your gift, darling. You're going to be a great mom. Enjoy your gift from Imani Chambers. Please tell me I say your name right. So I have like a robe for me to wear once I have her, and a little baby swaddle to wrap the baby in with a matching headset so we could be twins. This bag is pretty. This is from Ari and Mama Cook. Oh, so cute. More cards that I have to save and not read yet because I'm gonna cry. But we have some outfits. Oh my gosh, y'all. What a freak. It got little butterflies on this one, and this butterflies on the onesie that match the bottoms. So stinking cute. Ooh. Yeah, I'm about to cry. I just really can't believe I'm having a baby. The clothes do it for me. Like, the clothes make this, like, girl, you about to have a whole human in these clothes that you created. Like, what the freak? These are so cute. These are really cute. But don't mind me, I already went through the stuff Aaliyah got to and cried when she gave it to me. Like, the clothes make it. Like, this is so cute. It's like a little sweater material. What the freak? This is so cute. I have these two as well. Oh, Carters. Get your girls. Come on. Come over to my side and give me a sponsorship because my girl about to be styling and profiling, okay? So cute. Thank you, Ari and Mama Cook. My girl about to be that girl. She's about to be that girl, okay? I have this pregnancy journal book. This is also the cutest thing I received from my sister. And I can't wait to fill it out because, as y'all know, I love memories and keepsakes. But it's like a lot of questions of how I feel and how I felt during pregnancy, my thoughts, everything, symptoms, cravings. Yeah, so cute. I can't wait to fill that out as well. This is from my cousin Raelle. Like I told you, she also just had another baby girl. And this is a box of beautiful clothes, okay? Like, what? Thank you, Raelle. I got like two more boxes back here from Raelle. This is a little book. It says Mom, Loving, Nurturing, Inspiring. And another bag of clothes. I believe this is the clothes that my cousin Tara was talking about that she had. More beautiful clothes. We can put that in here. So these are the other two boxes that's from my cousin Raelle that's full of beautiful clothes, and I believe like something for the baby to lay on or something. I don't know exactly what it is yet. I don't want to take it out. But yeah, it's full of more beautiful hand-me-downs that's needed and that I really appreciate. So thank you, thank you, thank you. And yeah, let's move right along. Yeah, this is from Grandma. We got some Pampers, more Pampers, some training pants. We got a little blankie. It say thanks heaven for little girls. It say mommy's mini. Okay, period. So cute. We have a Nike outfit, a little dress. Oh, this is so freaking cute. More clothes. And we have a little pair of pink shoes with a bow on it. Thank you, Grandma. This is also from Rael. It's more blankies. Well, I think it's all of blankets. It's full of blankets, birthing cloths. Yeah, little swaddles. Man, what? I can't wait to set all this stuff up so I can like see it and organize it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh, I don't know who this is from, but thank you. This is so cute, y'all. I love orange. Oh, this is so cute. This also say Mama's Mini. So from my cousin DJ, I received this sleep thing. It's like a sleeping sound tool. Really, really wanted this. Really can't wait to use it. It's gonna be knocking its bolt out. I cannot wait to open this. And he also bought her a book, her first 100 words, which is such a beautiful thing because my cousin is a teacher. So I'm so happy that he got her a book. And he also bought her bedside sleeper. Yeah, he bought baby girl her bedside crib. Thank you, DJ, so much. And y'all, that is pretty much it for the first unboxing. I'm so happy, y'all. I'm so happy. I can't believe I'm having a daughter. It's still like very surreal. Like, just open this stuff is like, what? Like, I can't fit this. I'm like, oh, it's gifts for me. Like, girl, you can't fit this. It's not about you no more. It's about your daughter. So, thank you. All I can say is thank you. And I'm just so grateful for the village God has surrounded me with along this journey. I'm grateful for everyone He has removed and added in my life because it's just perfect. Everything is just perfect. This wasn't the best pregnancy. It wasn't my dream pregnancy, but overall, I still have my joy. I still have my peace. And I'm just excited for what's to come and what's next for me and baby girl. So, yeah, I will have this all organized eventually. But I will be back with another clip once I get more gifts. So, yeah. Thank you guys. I love y'all. I love you. I love you. I love you. And I'm just so grateful and honored to have each and every one of you that gave me a gift. Oh, I also got some Aquador. Hopefully, I'm saying that right. Some healing cream. This from Keisha, Shaniqua, and I believe one of these bags was from Shaniqua as well. Her name is not on it, but I do remember her telling me this one was hers. So yeah, that's it for this clip. I'm gonna call y'all back with some more vibes.
When I
You always stop. Oh, you see it? That shit crazy. When your post office calls and say come get all your shit. Whoa, whoa.